Hi guys. Hey, this is for the last week. So I bring you again on ESL video. This is a site I think that most of you liked, and it's the last week, so might as well do something cool. So just to remind you, if you go there, levels at the end of this page, this is the main page. If you are in regular Sec 5 enriched, you can try intermediate or high intermediate. Same thing for enriched Sec 4. You can go with high intermediate, maybe advanced if you'd like. And for enriched Sec 5, you can go with advanced. So depends of your level. You can click whatever you think is the best for you as well. I think, like I told you, I think these are the levels that correspond to your degree. So here you go. So if we click over here, you have some choices of videos, and I click on it. If you play the video, you always have some question on the right hand side over here. So you play it, you watch it, after you listen to the different, you watch the different questions, you answer the different questions, and at the end you have the correction. So you can do how many you like. If you have time, you can do more. You can go and check different other categories, like for stuff that can be maybe a bit harder, more difficult, if you think it's easy. So when you're done, you can always go back to the main page. You click ESL video, you go down, and you look at levels again. I will repeat, I think that Sec 4 enriched and Sec 5 regular, you can do intermediate and you can do high intermediate. Advanced is maybe more for Sec 5 enriched, maybe Sec 4 enriched too, you can do this. If you guys are good in regular 5, you can do maybe advanced as well. So there you go. This is last week's stuff. Watch videos, answer questions. And I think that sometimes they will ask you for a code at the end and send to me the result, but I don't have any code. So just go back to the main page, do another one, and just skip the code at the end. So guys, take care. Have a nice summer. For those of you, I will see you maybe this Friday, because it's going to be cérémonie de fin d'études. And other guys in Sec 4, I will see you. It's September, so take care. See you guys.